We are here in beautiful Lakeside where we're going to be covering a two-part job. We're here with foreman David Ortiz where he is going to be installing push piers and SmartJacks. So let's go see what he's going to do for the customer today.
My name is David Ortiz. I've been with Arizona Foundation Solutions for about 17 years. We're here in Lakeside. We are going to install 10 piers, 10 push piers, and 27 SmartJacks. Weather's nice, a little overcast, but we'll still get to it.
So with the 10 push piers, there was 4 of them that were hand dug. Did run into a few issues, but we still got it done. It was just a pretty tight area. We had to work under a deck, so we couldn't use an excavator. It's all hand dug. I think the only issue really was just being in a tight area, but we still made it work and still got the holes dug and still pushed those piers in. Installing the SmartJacks, most of it was pretty straightforward. All in all, it was a lot of work, but we got it all done.